Is it safe for pregnant women to use cleaning supplies? That's a great question, and we're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by mycleaningconnection.com, and in the resource section, there's a whole bunch of books. Some of the books that I want you to check out are on how to create your own recipes for non-toxic and environmentally friendly cleaning supplies and solutions, using most of the stuff that you already have in your home already, like baking soda and white vinegar. So it's really awesome. Check it out at mycleaningconnection.com. All right, on to today's show, which is from a woman who wrote in, wondering if it's safe for a pregnant woman to use cleaning supplies. Okay, that's a great question, and the answer is, if it is not safe for a pregnant woman, it is not safe for any woman or child, okay? So I want you to be very clear about if it's not safe for humans, it is not safe for humans, whether you're pregnant or whether you're not pregnant, right? If it's not safe, it's not safe. So how do you determine if cleaning products are safe? Okay, now this is not just for professional house cleaners, but this is something everyone needs to know about. There's what's called the globally harmonized system, and it is a system that is worldwide. And it is manufacturers required by law to produce what's called a safety data sheet. And the safety data sheet will give you all of the information that you need to figure out if it's safe for you or not. Now, there are 16 different sections in a safety data sheet, which tell you what the product is, what it looks like, the color of it, what it smells like, and then any hazards that are associated with it. It also tells you how to store it, and if you are allowed to switch it into another container, or if there's some safety precaution that it's only supposed to stay in the jug that it comes in. Like Clorox, for example, it comes in an extra duty, heavy duty plastic bin or jug, because if it were in a lesser jug that didn't have as much plastic to it, it would eat through that. So it's packaged a very particular way. Then also the safety data sheet will share with you how to dispose of the product if you have extra or when you're done with your cleaning products. For example, if you have some bleach and you want to get rid of it when you're done because you've used this pan of bleach, you wouldn't want to put it on your plants outside to water your plants because it would kill your plants. So there are certain things that you need to know about every chemical that you use. So it's easy when you go to a grocery store aisle and you see all these bright, flashy colored jugs and bottles and, oh, that looks like so much fun. And you've seen these great advertisements on TV of people using this product with no gloves or protective equipment on. And then you say, oh yes, I'll just buy it. And then we buy them and we use them without really knowing how to use them or on what surfaces. Different chemicals are allowed on different surfaces. And if you use the wrong chemical on the wrong surface, you can ruin it. Now, a friend of mine bought a brand new Mercedes, and I don't know why, but she thought she could use some bathroom cleaner on the console in the middle where there's this leather and plush wood finish. So she used it on there and totally destroyed the console of her new Mercedes. Not only that, but the product that she used dripped down a little bit on the carpet below where she sprayed it, and then it stained the carpet. So now she feels like she ruined her Mercedes because she used the wrong cleaning chemical. And she wanted to know if there was any way I knew of that she could repair it. I'm like, yeah, read the label. Okay, so read the label. That's the answer. Now, we know that Clorox, and I just brought up Clorox, which is a bleach, we know that that is a strong chemical. And so I pulled up the safety data sheet for Clorox, and I want to share with you, going back to the pregnant women scenario, some of the things that it recommends. So in one of the sections here, there's what's called an emergency overview. The emergency overview says that bleach can cause severe skin burns and eye damage. And so the goal is not to put it in your eyes and not to get it on your skin. So it does say wear protective gloves and protective clothing and face protection and eye protection such as safety glasses. So if you're going to be using bleach, take precautions. It's telling you right up front, take the precautions that you need. It does not say it's harmful to a pregnant woman. It says it's harmful to your skin. So just being harmful to your skin, we don't want to touch it with our fingers. Then it says, if swallowed, rinse your mouth. Do not induce vomiting. Okay, that's very important. They don't want it coming back up again. It says if it's on your skin or hair, Take off your immediately contaminated clothing and rinse your clothing and your skin with water. Then it says, if inhaled, remove the person to fresh air and keep comfortable for breathing. So they just want you to get away from whatever the fumes are that you're breathing. If you get it in your eyes, rinse cautiously with water for several minutes. Right? None of those are going to cause birth defects, nor does it say that in this safety data sheet. So even a pregnant woman could use bleach. We recommend very strongly, and that's in the safety data sheets, that you don't inhale it, that you don't drink it, and that you don't get it in your eyes or on your skin, right? It's designed to do a particular thing. And if you follow the rules and regulations that are on the labels, and you use the products consistently with how they are designed, they will be safe for you. We do not want to get in a situation where we're mixing products, and I recommend right off the top of my head, since we're talking about bleach, don't ever, ever, ever mix anything with bleach. You can dilute bleach with water, but do not mix it with anything. It is not designed to be mixed with anything. So the safety data sheets will tell you that. So before you just go out and buy a bunch of cleaning chemicals that are fun and fancy, read the safety data sheets. How you do that is you go to your smartphone and you type in SDS:, that's for safety data sheets, and then whatever the product of the name of the item that you're in the grocery store looking at is. And it will pull you up the safety data sheet. You can scroll through those 16 sections really quickly and see if it's harmful. And then if it's harmful, then don't introduce it into your house. Don't bring it home. But for the most part, the cleaning supplies and solutions that you buy are going to be designed to use them a specific way on specific surfaces. And if you use those products consistently with how they are designed, they should be safe for pregnant women. And there are a lot of professional house cleaners that are pregnant, and they're around cleaning chemicals every day. So you just want to know what it is you're using, and then you want to know, if I get it on my skin, if I inhale it, what do I do next? And then be aware of that so that in the event that that happens, you can quickly go to a place of clean, fresh air, where you can start rinsing immediately with water without stopping and looking up the safety data sheets to find out what to do. Now, having said that, in a pinch, if you do find yourself in a situation where there are harsh chemicals and for some reason you're getting skin burn or something, quickly look up the safety data sheet and look at what you're supposed to do and then follow those instructions. Alrighty, that's my 2 cents for today. Congratulations on the child. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.